What is included in an after renovation clean?
Our after renovation cleaning service in Melbourne is designed to restore your space to a fresh, dust-free, move-in ready condition after any kind of renovation or building work. It goes far beyond a standard clean. We target every surface affected by dust, debris, and residue left behind by trades. Here's what's typically included in our post-construction cleaning package. Full dust extraction from all surfaces, floors, walls, skirting boards, ceilings, fans, vents, doors and frames. Thorough vacuuming of carpets, floorboards and hard floors including edge work. Mopping and polishing of all floor types including tiles, timber and concrete. Detailed kitchen and bathroom cleaning including wiping down cabinets, tapware, bench tops, splashbacks and removing grout haze. Spot cleaning of walls, removing paint spots, glue residue and marks. Glass and window cleaning, including frames, seals and tracks. Dust removal from power points, switches and light fittings. Wiping internal cupboards, shelves, wardrobes and drawers. Final wipe of new appliances, fixtures and fittings. Optional, pressure washing external areas, steam cleaning carpets, fridge resets or appliance cleaning. Our after builders cleans are customizable based on the size of the renovation, full home, single room, kitchen, bathroom, reno, etc. and the materials used. If it's dusty, dirty or covered in builder residue, we'll clean it. We specialize in after renovation cleans for high-end homes, apartments, townhouses and commercial sites across Melbourne using trained cleaners, professional grade equipment that eliminate fine dust safely.